want from me?
I'm glad that you make it easy. I need to talk to you. You know, Cleo, for a few days now, I've been working with some crimes. Particularly murder.
And so?
It involves teenagers, young girls, from the ages 15 to 16 or 19.
And are you pertaining to me?
They are found dead, having stabs on their mouth, and their hands placed near their hearts. The evidences won't lie. It only links one person. I guess you know what I'm saying.
I don't know what you're saying.
That you have something to do with this.
Oh my God. And you're saying that I am a murderer? Or I am a killer?
I'm not saying anything. The evidence speaks for itself. Why are you doing this, Cleo?
What I am doing? I don't understand. Will you please straight to the point?
The evidence is pointed at you.
No! Why me? What did you say, huh?
This won't seal the truth. That's the truth, and you're the killer.
No!
There's something wrong with you. Why are you killing them? Why are you doing this?
I'm not a killer. No, I'm not a killer.
Then why are you doing this? Why are you harming people? Teenagers! They are teenagers, for God's sake! They got better future. I think you need some help. I can help you out if you will help me too.
No. I didn't do anything
Leo.
wrong.